It's May the 4th, which is Star Wars Day. Why? Because May the 4th sounds like May the Force be with you. So why not? An excuse to celebrate Star Wars, which is one of my favorite things ever. So, of course, I have to do Princess Leia's classic buns. And I have discovered that they work really well with spin pins. Last year when I tried to do the buns, they weren't holding together very well, and I couldn't get them to like actually hang over my ears. So this year that is solved. First of all, we're gonna put in an elastic for stability. These are the Pro hair ties where you can undo a clasp instead of dragging them through your hair to get them out. And they're very, very strong and grippy. Side. Oh, here's one where I doubled it up. Okay. Pull out of the clasp. Whoops. To make sure not to lose the little clasps. And reform it. Okay. We are going to Cinnabon over our ears and use spin pins as we go to hold it. They are very, very strong. I hope I got even amounts of hair here. But yeah, they just screw in and they can hold quite a lot of hair. So, start by twisting up and over. Pin there. Don't want to make this too tight because we want it to hang over the ears. This side. Tuck in the end. Okay, there we go. Hangs over the ear a little bit. It's a little tight. We'll try to loosen it up a teensy bit. Okay, let's try to get the other side to match. And they don't match, which is why I'm now going to tug at it. Better. Not the most flattering look in the galaxy, but hey. Apparently it's the in fashion for princesses. Oh, but I didn't mess that one up too badly. Can always add a few pins to make it neater. Stick a regular bobby pin in there. There you go. Princess Leia hair.